The BYBIT copy trading option gives you two different ways you can copy traders. If I go to tools and then I go to copy trading. So here you have the option to select any trader of your choice. Let's say I want to copy this trader. I'll go ahead and click on the trader and it opened up. When it opened up, you will see the statistics of the past trades that this trader has carried. And then if you come to the statistics of copy trades and I scroll down.
Okay.
I don't know why. Okay. Okay, this trader has hidden trading info, so you may not see the past trades of this trader. Okay, so you may not see the past trades of this trader, and because of that, we may not see the past trade because I wanted us to see the leverage the person is using and all of that. So we will not be able to see it. Let me try another trader and see if we can see a trader that is not hiding his or her performance. If I try this one, go to statistics. Okay, this one is not hiding his or her performance. Now you see that this trader is using 5x leverage. This one, 5x leverage.
This one is better now.
So you see the returns and the rest. So this trader has been consistent and is using 5x leverage. So if I go ahead and say, okay, let's copy this trader, I just click on copy.
Yeah.
So once I click on copy, this is where I want you to pay attention. This option right here.
Okay.
So the option here that says smart copy mode.
Okay.
When you use the smart copy mode, you are copying the trader's leverage. It means that if this trader is using whatsoever leverage, if it is 50x leverage, 10x leverage, and all of that, you are actually copying the trader's leverage. Because the smart copy option only allows you to enter the amount you want to copy the trader with. Okay, let's say I want to copy this trader with $50. I'll go ahead and enter that amount. Now, down here, you'll see where it says select the account you want to copy the trader with. So if I click on it, under the funding, spot, or derivative, wherever you have your money, you go ahead and select that. Then it gives you the copy trading stop loss, which I don't use. I just leave this one open. And then this option allow you to take trades at a different, is a way of BYBIT protects your account. It doesn't allow you to take trades immediately. The trader takes a trade. So the trader could enter a trade, let's say at 29,000, and your entry price could be at 29,100 and all of that. And in most cases, the trade will not be taken. That is what this BYBIT copy guard is. So if you allow it on, BYBIT has a way of protecting your account and the rest. So if I go ahead and click on I have read and copy, it means that whatsoever leverage this trader is trading with, that is what I'm going to copy the trader with. But if I click on the smart mode option and change it to advanced and click on confirm, so here I will still put the amount I want to copy the trader with. If you want to set stop loss, you go ahead. After that, click on next. When you click on next, it will now ask you to put your margin. If this trader takes a trade, how much do you want the trader to? Now I want to copy the total capital I'm copying this trader with is $50 as I entered initially. But each time this trader takes a trade, I want to only use $10 to take that trade. Okay. So now BYBIT will now let you know, okay, is it? I think this trader allow only $20. Yes, the trader allows only $20. You cannot use less than that. So since I'm using $50, it means that the trader can only take 3 trades at most per day for me. So on the leverage setting, which was not available in the smart option, so it says follow trader's leverage. Here, if the trader is trading with 100x leverage and you follow the trader, it means that is the same thing that will reflect in your account. And imagine what 100x or 50x or 40, the impact it will have on my $20, which is per margin. So
that's what happened. That is what topped my $100 today.
So if I check, I will just go to fixed leverage and then yes, to 5x leverage and confirm. So once I confirm that, if you click on more settings, you will see this other option, the margin mode, which is follow master traders settings. You have the maximum position per contract. You have, the daily position. Now, when you start setting this one, for instance, the daily position, it means that if you set it to $100, if this trader is supposed to take like 10 trades a day, that might have cost you like $1,000. Once it reaches $100, the trader will no longer trade from the account. Then for the margin option, when the trader reaches a position margin of whatever USDT you put here in a single contract, that means that you will automatically stop copying that trader for that day. So you go ahead and put, but I don't put all of this, I leave it open so that if I am copying the trader, for instance, with $100 and I want to copy per margin with a fixed margin of $20, if the trader end up taking 5, 10 trades, it will still reflect in my account. So that's why I normally leave this I don't do anything.
But one has to adjust the leverage, yeah?
Yes, you have to. That's why I had to adjust the leverage to whatever it is. So once you finish, just check I've read and agree, then you go ahead and click on,
So I should not be using smart. I should not be using smart copy. I should be using advanced.
Yes, use advanced so that you set your own leverage. And one last option here is this choose a contract. So if I click on where it says total contract, here you see all of the contract or the pairs that this person is trading. So if you just want to stick with USDT, BTC, and Ethereum, then you can uncheck all of this other one. It means that whenever the trader, if I uncheck,
I think I did this. Yeah, I think I did this.
It means that when the trader trades this particular token, it will not be triggered on your account and the rest. Okay, so you can. This is an option you can actually choose from and the rest. After that, just go ahead and click on copy now.
Okay, should I set these settings for my other account that I copy? Because it's $500 that I put. This guy, this Bitcoin guy, is the one doing well. So it's the one I put 200, The other 3, I put 100, 100, 100. One don't chop 100, that one don't. So the remaining 3, should I go ahead and check?
Yes, you can go and adjust the leverage. So I don't know, the guy you say is trading with 40x leverage. Now, if I go to, if I come back to
the guy is fast. He says he's fast or whatever. If you search for the
that would be the problem, because that fast because he is he wants to be a fast trader and all of that. They scalp the market with very high amount of leverage and equally check the amount of money in the person's account. Okay, check the total asset. You can see the total asset the person is trading with. So if, for instance, this person is trading with, let's say $10,000, 20 or 100,000, you cannot be copying the person's leverage, because if they are trading, for instance, on cross margin,
I understand.
the account will be liquidated and their trade will still be running.
They go running, yeah, exactly. That's what happened to me.
So if I go back to tools, adjust the setting. Once I go back to tools, go to the copy trading option. So here you say where it says my copy trading. If I go ahead and click on it, so you will see master traders here. Okay, so if I click on master traders, you'll see their performance, and then you can go ahead and click on any of the master trader you want to adjust the leverage. For instance, if I go ahead and I click on this one,
you yourself are not doing bad though.
Recently I've been doing good. So once you come in here, you go ahead and click on copy trading settings. Then here you can then switch. Now for the advanced option, you may not be able to change it, as in change it from the smart option to the advanced option, because once you use an option already to copy a trader, that has been fixed, except you have to unfollow the trader and then follow the trader back again, right? You have to follow the trader and follow the trader back, because once you follow that trader, the option to change from advanced and smart option will no longer be available.
Unless I unfollow.
Yes, so you just cancel copy trading, and then once you cancel it, you follow back, and you now use the advanced option to follow the person so that you'll be able to actually.
But if I follow back without adjusting, would that work?
if you follow back, you have to adjust the leverage now, right?
That's what I'm saying. If I follow back without adjusting, or I have to adjust first before I follow back.
No, as you are clicking on the follow option or
Copy
the
trade.
copy option, yes, it will
Okay.
now give you that dialog box to now select.
Okay.
Yes, to now adjust the settings and the rest.
Mm.
And please, if you have time, be monitoring your trades. Most especially these few days, this news in the US and the rest is
I'm telling
making
you.
the market. This morning, Bitcoin
So
just was,
volatile.
stable, and everybody was hoping that it would go down. But look at what happened. All of a sudden, it started going to the upside. So you have to equally be observing the market, because at times that trader liquidated you. There was a time it was in profit. That I'm sure. I don't know what the entry price is. You can imagine, see this market now. It was close to 29. Is it 29,800 or thereabout? Now it has dropped. Yes. If you look at the chart here, so you see that all of a sudden this evening it pumped up to 29,900, and then it started dropping. So at a point, that trade would have been in profit in case you did not notice it. Because this is where the market was just playing around this afternoon and the rest, and now this is where it is. So be equally monitoring your trades.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'll have to adjust the leverage straight away so that it will not be consuming my money like that. When I saw it, I was like, not again.
Sorry about that.
No, it's part of experience, my brother. What can one do? We're just struggling and hustling to get passive
This
income.
market is very unpredictable. For instance, right now, they do like say one drop, you go ahead and take short. Before you know now, it will just be a retracement and it pumps. So what we are waiting for now, BTC should break this 30,000 and above, so that we know that we don't enter the bull run. But it's still playing around and people are still using it, just manipulating.
The support level is 28, right?
Support, we have a support at 28, 28, then we have another one at 27, and then I think the major one that was Bitcoin was struggling at was this 27,200. Between this area, this particular zone here, this was where the market
what is the indicator to know the support and the resistance level? Be like say you teach us one time. RSI is not for the resistance.
No, RSI would be to spot, divergence, and then what's it called, overbought and oversold level. So RSI will let you to spot divergence, even hidden divergence in market, then overbought and oversold level. Another indicator that you can easily use to spot all those resistance are the Bollinger Bands indicator. So if I go ahead and add Bollinger Bands, okay, so you can adjust this. So once price is now trading at the upper band, you should be expecting that it will
drop.
The market will drop. Yeah, even if it doesn't drop down to the lower band, it will always retrace. Okay, if you check this aside this area where the market consolidated, if you check when this price traded above those areas, let me open up this. If you check that once the market starts following the upper band, and then before it continues and all of that. So you can use the Bollinger Band indicator to actually spot that. But there is that indicator is not on the exchange. There is this indicator that can help you to spot one of this area. It is called Smart Money Concept by Luxembourg. You can only use that indicator on the Trading View. So it's called Smart Money Concept by Luxembourg. So those ones you can use it, to spot those resistance and support level to give you this area, so that if you look at the chart and you see that, oh, this market is just in the middle of nowhere, and the trader you're copying is already taking a trade in either any of the direction, you should be able to, say, I'll monitor this trade closely. Once it is in profit, you close it from your end and wait for a breakout. So when a trader takes a trade either at the support level to buy or at the resistance level to short, you will know that, okay, you are confident that that trade will go in your favor and all of that. You understand? For instance, you see that Bitcoin has been respecting this 28, 29, 800 up to this 30,000 level. So it will always retrace back a little before it continues the pump and the rest. So these are the some of the things you need to look at. Except if you have bigger money that can hold your position for long. Those who are enjoying copy trading are those who have money that they know that, okay, if I open a trade now, before I get liquidated, it will be maybe when it gets to so level and the rest. So these are some of the things we need to equally be looking at. Copy trading, it can be good, but once they reg your account, it is very painful.
I tell you, I'm telling you, once they wreck that account, but now I've learned one or two things again now. So I think I'll be like trying to allocate certain amount to a particular trade, you know?
Yes, like some of the traders I follow. And one thing I do is if I see a trader, this is my own personal view actually. Every week I'll review the traders that I'm copying with, that I'm copying. If for any reason I see a trader that performance is more than the one I'm currently copying, I will just suspend that one and start copying another one. If I cannot copy either two, three traders at a time, because the minimum I allocate a trader is $50.
Okay.
Yes, then I can try 100, I can try 200. So if a trader is doing good, I will now add some money to the trader.